I am Kunal, Chief Electoral Officer, Goa. Voting is your right as well as duty. You are going to exercise your power over democratic process in selecting the representative who will run the government, who will form the legislature. So this is very important for you and future of your child and their progeny. So you all must come forward and vote ethically, without any fear, favor, and with full information. We have upgraded the infrastructure at all the 1722 polling stations. We have increased the number of polling stations by 80 from the previous election, keeping COVID guidelines in mind. And we are very hopeful of very high turnout at 85% and above. Moreover, we are going to have 105 pink polling stations, which will be managed exclusively by all the women officials. Similarly, we will have 11 eco-friendly polling stations where all the eco-friendly materials will be used. And moreover, in this election, we have attempted to replace non-biodegradable items with biodegradable items like waste bins, like paper tray, which are sourced locally through Handicrafts Corporation, which are made of bamboo. Similarly, for paperweights, we are using coconut shells and conch shells, and we are using paper pens and paper pencils. So our attempt is to conduct the election in an eco-friendly manner and in a festive atmosphere. You will find all the polling stations will be beautifully decorated and welcoming you tomorrow when you come for vote.